Hello everyone, today I will do Snort room on TryHackMe and basically Snort is an open source rule-based network intrusion detection and prevention system. It was developed and still maintained by Martin Resch, open source contributors and the Cisco Talos team. So we are moving to task 2, you need to start the machine. I will make it a little bit bigger because I can then copy and paste easier. And navigate to task exercise folder and run the command easy.sh and write the output. So open the terminal and now if I see here we are in task exercise, now we can run the command and the answer is too easy. After that, task 3 I did it already because it's all theory, you can go and read through this one, but I will skip that. Moving on task 4. This is first interaction with Snort. And they saying us run the Snort instance and check the build number, and they saying us use -v. So sudo snort -v, and we see here the build number 149. After that test the current instance with etc snort-conf file and check how many rules are loaded with the current build. So we need to run first C and then after that -t. Path and then after that -t, and need to delete this one and need now to find how much rules. So scroll up, scroll down, here is 4151. Okay, test the current instance with etc snort version 2 conf and check how many rules are loaded with the current build. So the same, but we need to use version 2. So I will clear the screen and now run the same command and just make version 2. And now if we see we have only one rule. Great. After that, task 5 operation mode, sniffer mode, and we don't need here to answer anything. Task 6 operational mode 2 packet logger mode, and here we have some commands. Investigate the traffic with the default configuration with ASCII mode. That they saying us basically they run this command. Okay, I will run it. Snort is started. New tab and then run the next command sudo traffic generator .sh. Okay, and choose task 6 exercise. Okay, now I will capture some traffic. It's done. And now you should have the logs in the current directory. Navigate the folder, this one, and what is the source port used to connect port 53. If I go now ls, I get here the directories, and they saying us this directory. And they saying us permission denied, so sudo John, if I can remember, was like that, Ubuntu. Basically I need to make this Ubuntu user as owner of this file. And now I will be able to navigate to the directory. Yes, ls, and we see here the answer is 3009. After that we have use snort log, this log file, and read the snort log file with snort what is the IP ID of the 10th packet. Basically all of these questions is the same snort log. Here, here, here. So first command is this one. And no such file in directory, so we need to find. I will go one step back, and now we'll try it. No. So I will run some commands. Need to some help from my up notes. So this is the task 6. This is this one. This is the command sudo find type fname. Sudo find type f name, and name will be snort.log. Anything what is beginning with 1 I will to find, and I get it. Now if I want to run this command, and I will delete this, and I will just take the path. I can take like this path, or I can navigate to the task 6 and this command will work, but I will just do like this to demonstrate it. This is the number of the packets. If I click enter, what is the IP ID of the 10th packet? So should be the last packet IP ID, and this is the answer. After that read the snort log, the same file with snort what is the refer of the 4th packet, and they say us the run dash x. So no, I will take number 4 because I don't need more packets, and here should be dash x, and now I get the answers. This is the 4th packet, the last one, and I just can copy link HTTP development, and so HTTP okay. Read the snort log file with snort what is the acknowledge number of the 8th packet. So I will take the last command, but without dash x, and I will name number .8, and now I should see the last packet, and here is the number. After that read the snort .log file with snort what is the number of TCP port 80 packets. After that I just go to run this command. What is the number of TCP port 8 packets? So number, we don't need this, TCP port 80, it should work like this, and the answer is 41. This is the answer. After that we are moving to task 7, operational mode, IDS, IPS, and investigate the traffic with default configuration file, and basically they saying us to run this command and to use task 7 exercise script, and now analyze the output summary and answer the questions. So basically to run this command, it's already working. So basically to use this command, paste, okay, and to run this command, to use task 7, okay, capturing some HTTP traffic, and I will stop now, and I get 2 methods. You can practice the rest of the parameters by using the traffic generator script. Okay, completed. Task 8, operation mode 4, pickup investigation. Now in this task, they saying us to now use the attachment virtual machine and navigate to the task exercise files task 8 folder to answer the question. And now I see here the files what I need for this room, and what is the number of generated alerts. This should be easy all. Let's copy the command, paste, and what is the number of alerts. And see here I see 117. Keep reading the output, how many TCP segments are queued. So TCP segments, at least 18, should be 18. Okay, keep running the output, how many HTTP response headers were extracted. HTTP 3. And after that, investigate the mx1 pickup file with the second configuration file. So basically the same command, but version 2. And how many alerts? 68. Investigate the mx2 pickup file with the default configuration file. And again, we need just to find alerts. This is simple. We run the command, and here we see alerts 340. Keep reading the output. What is the number of detected TCP packets? I will just do like this to make it easier. TCP port 80, and should be running okay. And now I see the number of packets are 82. So it's true, yes. Investigator makes the 2 backup and mx3 pickup files with the default configuration file. So we need to run this command. And this is all the easy. You just need to copy and paste the commands and you will get the answers. And what is the number? 1020. Yes. Moving to task 9, Snort tool structure, and we see here the rules what we can make with the nano VIM, and here is the explained how it works, what is the alert, ICMP, any destination, source, port, and another stuff. And use task 9 pickup. So again need to go one back, change the registry to task 9, and now if I see we have this pickup file, and write a rule to filter IP ID 35369 and run it against the given pickup file. What is the request name of detected packets? Oh, I will move just to my my notes to make it easier and for all. So first rule is this one. I will copy. I will let this comments for task 9 in the description. Oh, I go nano local rules and paste. This is the first rule. Control X, save yes, enter, and now run this command and to see number of the name of the detected packet. Okay, so run the command. Okay, we have only one alert. Okay, we go ls and they saying us we need to find name, so we will cat alert and we see here the name. After that, create a rule to filter packets with SYN flag and run it against the given pickup file. What is the number of detected packets? Again, first what you need to do is go nano local rule. Sorry, nano local rules. After that we need to deactivate this command, and now we need to take new command, and the new command is this one. Basically TCP any message is TCP SYN found and flag is S, that means SYN, and here is the number, CID number and revision number, .x, yes, and oh, I will just run again this command. What is the number? It's 1. Here is the number. Okay. Now clear the previous log and alarm files and deactivate comment of the old rule. So deactivate we just before like we did, and write a rule to filter packets with push egg flags and run it against the given pickup file. What is the number of detected packets? Basically we need to remove or sudo alert snort.log and everything what is beginning with 1. No. Like this should be work. Alert. So I will just like this, try. No. I already deleted, but I don't know why it's so saying us we can remove. I already deleted it. go clear. And now we need to nano local rows, and we need to, they saying us to deactivate this comment, but I will just change to push and acknowledgement. And now I will run the command, and 216 number of detect packets, and clear the previous log and alarm files and deactivate comment of the old rule. Create a rule to filter packets with the same source and destination IP and run it against the given pickup file. What is the number of detected packets? So for this one we need two rows TCP and UDP. Need to remove. Need to find what was this command from removing, but it's not here. Should be here, but it's not. Never mind, should now to work. Sudo remove alert. Yes. Now working, okay. And nano local rows. Deactivate this one. And I have prepared new command, new rules, and this should be this. Paste. And they are basically, we have alert, TCP or UDP, any message same IP found. If we find the same the IP, then we will get alert about that. And SID is 1, and here is the 1, and after you need all time to change that. If you have 3 rows, then be 3, 3. If you have 4, then 4, and you have all time to change that. And now run the command. And the number of alerts is 10. Yes. And case example, analyst modified an existing rule successfully. Which rule option must the analyst change after the implementation? Nano local rows, like I said, we'll need to change revision. Okay. And task 10, it's you just need to read, and this is completed. And conclusion, it's all completed. And that is all for this room. So thank you all for the watching, and if you like video, just let the like, and that is all. Bye.